This thing is projected to be 100 times more efficient than leading GPUs, going at 4.5 tera operations per second per watt.
That's actually crazy. Headline on this story: Microsoft's analog optical computer cracks 2 practical problems and shows AI promise. One of the issues with the whole AI debate is NVIDIA has now become a $1 trillion company in record speed because they're the only ones that can build these chips, these GPUs, that can really run the frontier models effectively. And to be able to get to NVIDIA scale because of the complexity of the manufacturing process and the amount of proprietary knowledge necessary, there's like no, IBM has tried, they can't.
No.
And there's no one else, right?
Yeah, because they've done 20 years of work to get to where they are.
And this, what's interesting is this sort of upsets the apple cart in the sense of, if there is a low cost, high efficacy, hardware substrate that you can utilize to do the same type of work that you're seeing out of a GPT-5, faster, cheaper,
with less power.
Yeah.
Like one caveat is this thing is only going to work for inference.
Okay.
It's not for training. But to be fair, the reason why all of these companies are building all of these data centers is not to train.
It's for inference.
It's for inference, right? Like some tiny, the hundreds of millions of users of ChatGPT and Gemini are just using it for inference.
It's all inference. As more users start using, LLMs and other versions of AI in everyday life, and we get to the order of billions of users doing so, what they're using is the inference. But now you don't need to have that high cost infrastructure in order to serve the end user of the models.